Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is yoga taught by Taylor. Today we'll do a quick flow to energize your entire body. So meet me in a standing posture, toes pointing forward, rooting down through the feet, lengthening up and out through the spine. We'll inhale, take the arms up and out. Palms come together, exhale, forward fold. Relaxing everything down towards your mat. Gently folding into this posture. We'll bend the left knee. Inhale, sweep the right fingertips up and open. Bring the hand to the low back, gaze over your shoulder. Relax the crown down. Inhale the arm up. Exhale down, we'll switch. Bend the right knee. Straighten the left. We'll inhale, sweep the fingertips up and open. Exhale to the low back. Relax the crown down. Inhale, open. Exhale down. Let's open our legs to a wide-legged straddle, toes pointing forward. Again, we'll relax the crown down, sink into it. Nice full breaths into the ribs. Relaxing the knees, relaxing the face. We'll walk the hands over to the right. We're going to sink into that knee, lifting our left toes. Get nice and long through your spine. Plant your hands. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale, sink. Switch it out. Inhale and exhale. If you'd like to add a little challenge, bring your hands to heart center. And we'll inhale, rise. Exhale, sink. Inhale. And exhale. Last time. Inhale, rise. Exhale, sink. Plant the hands. Send the hips back to center. Gaze forward, palms in. We'll inhale. Nice and strong all the way up. And exhale down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, float it down. We'll take one more twist. Bringing our left hand in front of the face. Inhale, twist the right up and open. Hand to the low back, gaze over your shoulder. Relax the crown down. Giving the outer edge of the body a nice deep stretch. We'll inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. I want to soften my elbow and lean into this posture. Keeping my hips nice and high. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. Let's bring both hands onto the back, interlacing the fingers. Squeezing the shoulder blades in. We're going to inhale, rise, lifting the hands. Finding your edge. Using your breath. Inhale, rise. Exhale. Release the hands and roll the shoulders. Nice and wide. Really get into what it feels like in your body. We'll send it onto the back and roll around to the front. One more round. And release. Step back to your center. You're going to meet me at the top of your mat. Toes pointed forward, rooted down through the feet. Bring your hands to your low back. We'll take a back bend. Our backs are full of energy. Quick pick-me-up. Send your hips forward. Reaching the crown back. Find your breath. Maybe interlacing those fingers one more time, taking it deeper. And we'll inhale and exhale. One more time, hands to heart center. Inhale, rise. Take the arms up and back, reaching out. Inhale. Exhale, coming all the way down. We'll build our momentum, stepping back with the right leg. High runner's lunge. Gaze forward, light on your fingertips. We inhale, rise. We're gonna take a twist. Left hand comes down and around. Reaching out fingertip to fingertip. Inhale, rise. Open up. Take it back. Sink into it, belly button back. Inhale, rise. Exhale, float it down. Meet me in plank. Slowly lower. Send your heart through. Up dog. Nice and strong through the hands, sinking into the hips. Flip it out, down dog. Hips come nice and high, heels down towards your mat. Sink into this posture. Right leg comes up and out, three-legged dog. Reaching out through the toes. Squeeze it in, rock it forward. Place it down. Knee over ankle, never pressing past the toes. Get light on your fingertips, let your heart lead, and we'll rise. And we'll twist. Inhale. Open up. Exhale. Take it down. Left comes to meet the right, top of your mat. Inhale, rise. Exhale to heart center. One more breath. And we'll inhale. Exhale. Bend the knees, plant the hands. This time stepping back with the left. Allow your knee to come down to your mat. Relax the toes. Left hand to the inside of the foot. Inhale, sweep the right up and open. Exhale to the low back. Gaze over your shoulder. You want to take a deeper, grab a hold of that foot. Get nice and light on your fingertips. Exhale, release. Sending the arm back up and over. Rock the hips back. Runner stretch, lifting the toes, reaching out over that right leg. I'm sinking my hips back towards my heel. Inhale forward. Exhale, sink. Pressing back up. Plank, chaturanga. Left leg up and out, three-legged dog. Squeeze it in, rock it forward. place it down. Take your time, set yourself up. Remember, we are moving energy in the body. Relax the back toes, right hand to the inside of the foot. We'll inhale, sweep the left up and open. Hand to the low back. If you want to go deeper, grab a hold of your foot. Get light in your fingertips. Inhale and exhale. Rock the hips back. Lift the toes, sinking in. I'm sinking my hips back towards my heel. Inhale forward. Exhale, sink. Pressing back up. Right comes to meet the left, top of your mat. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale to heart center. Hands to heart center. We're going to inhale, send it back, hips forward, back bend. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Letting everything go. Grab a hold of each elbow. We're going to ragdoll, sending the hips in the opposite direction of the arms. One more time each side. And back to center. Releasing the hands, slowly, mindfully rolling up through the spine. Fight that urge to rush. One vertebra at a time. And when you arrive, roll your shoulders down and back, palms forward, closing the eyes. Tadasana or mountain pose. Bring your hands to heart center. Allow this momentum to carry you through the rest of your day. May your day be filled with ease, flow, and movement. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you.